Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Darn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all have a marvelous day. And you know, today y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my.
That's exactly what I do behind camera.
Yes, today you know who's joining us.
Hold on. And the day above, and now under.
It's a blessed day, amen.
Okay.
Today we're gonna do part 2. She bought the wrong stuff, but we're gonna try to make it work. The what's that? The no burping challenge.
Wait, hold on, what?
Yeah, the no burping challenge.
See, that's why she just cursed me out.
Right.
I literally heard burping challenge. I heard no thing of no burping.
Right. I told her to get the 2 liters. She didn't get those. So
I thought we were doing a burping challenge.
The no burping challenge. So, but anyway, we're gonna make do with what we do, cause that's what we do around here.
Wow. Doesn't she act different when she's around me?
Hold up, y'all. Today I was in my, I recorded a song. Hold on, you want to start or you want me to play you?
Go ahead and show them what you made of, girl. Mama, you don't know it in your head?
No, you know me.
I hope y'all can hear that.
I hope so too.
Oh, I sounded real country right then.
You always sounding country.
Always having some.
Hold up.
Always having something to say. But baby, when I tell you I'm unbothered, unfazed, thanks for the watch time. Oh, baby, thank you for taking time out of your day to criticize my
Video.
I'm loving what you got.
Say.
Unfazed.
She's not getting her record deal yet. Because she really tried to get at the 90s, like, Tony Braxton sound.
Yeah, who cares? That's what
now.
Oh, hold on. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Crack-a-lackin'.
I got a 1.25 liter.
And that's what I really needed. I drank the Coke. I still had some Coke though, but let's get to it.
Listen to that. Nothing like pop. That was ASMR.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're not supposed to burp. I won.
Look, Ma, I thought you gave up on that no burping challenge. I don't know what you want to do now.
It's okay. Come on, just burp.
Right.
We just gonna burp.
I thought because I didn't have it. Look at that. It's just ready to just make it burp. I think I'm going to delete that out the clip too.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Ooh.
I didn't even put a dent. My burps are like real abrupt. They like pop. You know? They like a bubble.
I need like one massive explosive.
If y'all watch Shakara reaction to sushi and raw fish. Sashimi. That just sounds like you want to throw up, Mom. You okay?
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah, girl. That's what you should have did when I was burping. You should have pat that back, make it come out.
What you think I am, y'all?
Yeah. She gross.
I know.
Okay, the next one is on me.
I don't know what I just asked for, y'all, because my mama is childish. Look at her, she drank all that pop. Whoa!
I wanted to blow her little behind away.
Sorry, you just spent that on that last verse. What she thought?
That's okay, I got one more.
Look
Come
how
on,
she-
drink yours.
Y'all. You know when you feel like you got a burp as it's going out? Like,
Pat my back.
that's why I let her do this behind, like, I stay behind there because I just be looking at her like, dang, where do that come from? And stop swallowing the air, that's cheating. That's cheating.
It's not coming
My little baby girl.
She's a fail. It's my other daughter that's missing. She said she was supposed to be the one doing the burping challenge, but she ain't feeling too good. So
It don't matter what Papa drink, my burps are just normally. Coca-Cola will kind of bring out the other side of me, but you know, Sprite.
Sprite. Whoa! You barely drank anything. She keep doing that.
Okay, guys, weird fact about me is that I literally every time I hiccup, I burp.
Yeah.
That ain't do nothing.
Yeah, that ain't doing nothing.
Nothing at all. And I just swallowed all that air. I think I swallowed it.
What?
I drank all that pop and nothing came out. That's really sad.
You need to rub the belly.
Oh God, y'all. It's gonna always be after you done film you.
It happens to me all
She gets
the
so mad.
time, and I get so upset because I'm like, y'all missing it. Cause them be loud as ever. Loud. Like, whoa, where that came from?
Oh yeah, it's now a side effect.
There you go, mama. Did y'all hear that? Oh wait. Let's see.
That came from deep within, baby. That wasn't right. This is not a competition.
You know, it is. That ain't it. It's like, yeah.
That just don't sound right, do it, y'all? That sounds like more like a groaning.
Groaning. Whew. We gonna tap?
Hey, you know what?
What?
Sprite ain't like really caffeinated. It's not for real.
It's
like white
it's some Coke right there. When I was drinking yesterday, you got some of that?
That's probably flat.
Probably.
Ain't nothing like flat Coke. That's disgusting.
Dang. What was that? What was that?
It took 10 minutes, y'all. But she has gotten there.
What?
The medical Lord.
What was that? Can y'all please tell me what that was? What was that?
A drink.
Did y'all hear how it sounded?
I think they heard loud and clear. And if our mic wasn't out of commission, it would have been worse. Really worse.
It's okay. I still haven't gotten to the story yet, y'all.
Like, that's really sad. Like, that's really sad.
Like,
When we mean
we gonna have to try to make it there one day between mukbangs. So a video gonna go up a little bit later than normal.
or she can just give me a pre-record like I be asking for.
Yeah, that too. That too. Something gonna have to give. Cause
I think I'm tapping out though.
You tapping out?
Cause I am filled with Sprite and nothing is coming out. She just always gotta outdo somebody.
No, I'm gonna finish this. I said I was gonna do the 2 bottles. And we gonna sit here.
You're not doing 2 bottles of ginger ale.
Cause you know you gotta sit down. And
You
it's gotta
gotta
sit down
She
there.
constantly wants to be hard-headed.
It's gotta stay down there and do what it do. And then you get that big old boom. That's just gonna blow you out. See what I'm saying?
This little piggy. No.
Talk about this little piggy.
I'm so childish, y'all. As y'all already know. I don't even have to tell you that I'm childish.
These are good.
I think you and everyone who's watching this knows that
What?
that's your drink.
Yep. Ginger ale and Coke. You can never go wrong.
You see what I'm
Sometimes you just need a
sponsoring?
Coke.
You see what I'm sponsoring?
It's responsible.
The great Sprite. What do you like? Sprite or 7-Up?
Ugh. Well, I drink 7-Up too. Whatever.
I think 7-Up got like a more lemony, like it's a really like a lemon. It's something about 7-Up versus this. This just it's real light.
Well, whatever. It's still
I used to couldn't tell the difference.
soda.
I used to couldn't tell the difference. It's like it was the same thing to me.
They just got different names. Shoot. Different companies. I'm almost done, y'all.
Oh, I'm full, y'all. I'm reacting to her verbs. I just be like, dang.
What?